Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with me, Kirti. Today we are going to upcycle some passport covers using Everyday Places 2 decoupage sheets by CrafTangles. So these are the passport covers which has become moldy because of the weather in Singapore. The other materials like chalk paints, decoupage glue. These A4 size decoupage sheets depicting beautiful places across the world are just perfect according to me for my passport covers. So I'll just quickly check the size for my covers and it seems it is perfect for me. To start with first step, I'm going to use clear gesso. This time I'm not using the normal gesso but the clear gesso. Clear gesso dries without leaving a new layer on the surface. That's why I have chosen to use clear gesso instead of a normal gesso, which actually puts up a good coat or covering. So, after drying up, it's perfectly ready to take on another layer of chalk paint. So, my next step is to add layer of chalk paint. I'm going to cover my passport cover with white chalk paint as it is going to provide the base for my decoupage. I will repeat same process on all three passport covers. First clear gesso, then let it dry, second layer of snow white chalk paint and followed by decoupage paper with the help of decoupage glue. Just have to make sure that in between two different steps, previous layer of paint or gesso, whatever it is, has dried off completely and well. If you have followed my previous tutorials, you will observe that I have used different gessos on different surfaces and also for the purpose I'm going to use these things. Now my previous layer of chalk paints has dried. So let's mark our sheets. The steps are pretty simple. All we have to do is use the decoupage paper, take the decoupage glue and stick them on your surface in such a manner to reduce the wrinkles. And the last step would be to apply the varnish. So here let us have some peaceful music while we enjoy the next steps which I have already explained before.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.
So now we are done with the outer side of our passport cover, coming towards inside and sideways. This is how I'm going to cut the sides into very small cuts, and then with the help of decoupage glue I will paste it. Why I have cut it? is to ensure that I get a smooth crease line. And now coating up insides.
Wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. Wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.
After this one dried well, I covered my passport cover with decoupage varnish, and that is how the final look of my passport covers. I hope you like them. If you like the video or have any questions regarding the process, please feel free to comment below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube in the name Kirti's Craft Castle. See you in the next video. Bye bye.